Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. I am Max Handsome Ductwork Master Magician. Forget all that can be measured by your puny senses. Physics, science, biology. On this stage, all of these things are nothing but fancy words. Tonight, your human eyeballs will see things your brains will not be able to process logically.
Did I walk on too soon, space robot?
Yes, Liftor, I did not even introduce you yet. And my name is Max Handsome Ductwork Master Magician.
Oh,
I will introduce you now.
okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, place your gaze upon the unearthly beauty of my assistant, Tammy.
Why don't I have an impressive name like you?
Because, Tammy, this is how a magic show works. The Master Magician has the impressive name because he is the one doing the impressive tricks. The assistant only has to be nice to look at and so does not need an impressive name.
I prefer to be called Corvette.
Okay.
Max Handsome Ductwork Master Magician.
Yes, Tammy.
What is it we are doing here exactly?
We are performing a magic show by implementing the art of illusion. It is a well-loved human entertainment.
What is the art of illusion?
It is where a person on a stage with an impressive name tricks an audience into thinking he did something which he did not really do.
Oh, you mean like politics?
Yes, magic shows are just like politics, but with more entertainment value. Now, for my first illusion.
Those are the cards that Max Handsome Ductwork showed me backstage.
Tammy.
Corvette.
What?
Like the car, the sleek and curvy automotive vehicle that humans strive to impress members of the opposite sex. That is me. Tonight, I am Corvette.
Tammy, you are my assistant. Your job is to assist me and not talk about yourself or the magic tricks.
Okay.
My lovely and physically alluring assistant will now choose one of these cards.
I choose the red one.
The Ace of Hearts.
The Ace of the Hearts.
Good. Now I will shuffle the deck.
Are they shuffled?
Almost. Okay. Tammy,
Corvette.
is this the card you chose?
No, that is not the Ace of the Hearts. Your trick has failed, and now you will never work in this town again.
Wait.
How did that card enter my innards? This defies logic. Did you utilize a teleportation device?
No, I tricked you with the magic of illusion.
You mean that while
I call this one the rodent of mystery.
I think I understand how magic works now.
I will just wave my wand and
wait, Max Handsome Duckwork Master Magician. Your tie is askew. Let me fix it for you.
Thank you, Kenny. Now, humans, prepare your eyeballs for amazement. Alakazam silly. Zippity ding dong doodle.
Why are you saying those nonsensical words?
It helps to sell the illusion, but it appears there is an error.
Look under your hat, Master Magician.
The rodent of mystery is nibbling my joints.
You thought Corvette was just a pretty face. Well, sir, who is the Master Magician now?
This is no time to change protocol, Lithor. We must move on to the final illusion.
You can call me Corvette Chrome Bucket, Mistress of Magic. For our final act, I will make you and the rodent of mystery disappear.
What are you doing?
I am building suspense to increase entertainment value.
Please build suspense faster.
Now I, Corvette Chrome Bucket, Mistress of Magic, will wave my magic mandibles and Alakazam.
Ow.